Welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene, and in today's video, you saw it in the thumbnail. Yes, I went back. They reeled me back into the store. Bath and Body Works had their $5.95 sale on their new stuff. They tried to sneak it, do it only on the luxury items at first, and then they went ahead and did it on all of their items in there. So if you want to see what items that I did decide to add to my collection for the fall, then just stay tuned. So here we are again with another Bath and Body Works haul. When they have a sale $5.95 like that, you can't beat it with a stick. And if you can get an extra % off, that's even better. But I did a BOPUS order and got quite a few items for their $5.95 sale. Some of the items are backups of the fall collection because it's that good. Yes, that good. So let me pull everything out and I'll share one of these items. Y'all gonna laugh at me. Yes, it is that good. So let me pull it all out and then we'll get with the getting. All right. So first things first, I got some more of the travel sprays. So travel sprays, got some more of these. So I got the Mediterranean Mirage, got another one of those. Got another Vanilla Ease, another Free as a Flower. Then I picked up another one of the All Eyes on Her because I do enjoy this scent. This was one of the luxuries that they kept around. And then Inner Angel, I got another one of these. So, and these are only 7 mils. Now, something that I found out in store, and so I was talking with one of the associates, and they have, you know, all of these that was on sale for the $5.95. But then I picked up 2 of the men's collection. So let me show you this. The men collection comes in 15 mils. They don't come in 7 mils. So why do they get a bigger bottle? Answer me that. The men. So the only one they had in store, in my store, like I said, I did a buy online picking up in store, was the Noir. And I do enjoy this scent, and I think my honey will too. So I got this, but I'm like, why do they get a whole half a fluid ounce and we only get, what is this? 0.23, less than half with a 7 mil. And then these are typically $14.95 and these are $17.95. So only $3 more, but they get more than double the product. So I got to fit with Bath and Body Works on it. I'm just teasing. But, you know, I was just wondering why do they have 15 mils for their perfume, their other perfumes too. So I digress. Got the mini perfume, the travel sprays, 2 of those for him and those other ones. Now the backups I got another one of the Vanilla Ease body butters because the body butters was on sale too. And I already told you guys I love this scent. So I went ahead and got another one since they had it in the backup. Now, this is why I say y'all gonna laugh at me. I got 3 of the Autumn Drive's body butters. Now, Autumn Drive has Wild Raspberry, Warm Amber, and Vanilla Birch. And when I tell you this scent is amazing, I love this scent. I know everybody who and haw over sweater weather, but for me, this one is it. This is amazing. It is perfect for the fall time. So, got 3 of those body butters and 3 of the body mist. So I got 3 extra. And this one got wrinkled all on it. But yeah, 3 of the body mist. Yes, it is that good. And the lady said in store that this one is one of their favorite scents that comes back, I guess, year after year. I guess it's been coming back the last couple of years. And that's why since this is such a fan favorite, that's why this is the only one that had a body butter in it. And the body mist in our store has sold out twice. And they'll run out of it, and they restart it, and then it ran out again, and then restart it. So I don't know if they're going to restock it again in my particular store. But I went ahead and got what I wanted. I had my BOPIS order, and then while I was in there, I still went ahead and got another one. After she told me that, because I was like, that's a good scent. I want to keep it. So the other one that I really do enjoy was this Sunrise Wood. So I went ahead and picked up 2 more of these. And this one has creamy sandalwood, sweet berries, and cozy cashmere. This one, I really do enjoy this one as well. Auto Dry probably, of course, is more of a favorite because I got more of that items. But these other 2, the whipped honey and vanilla, I went ahead and got 2 more of these as well. This fall collection was the bomb. That's all I can say. I can't speak for previous years. I used to be a Bath and Body Works lover for years, and then I went checking for them for a long time, and then last year I got back into going into store, and what pulled me in was the luxury line. So they were smart about that. And I was looking at someone else, and I forget who it was, but they were saying how a lot of the fragrances before, they were duping stuff beforehand, but luxury lines when they start owning it. So I can't speak for that because I haven't smelled like a lot of those scents. But what I can say, what I have smelled, and that I do have the designer versions of, they did a great job on those luxury line items. So I love these fall collection items that they came out with. And I do have another online order. I decided to do another online order because they had a couple of other sales that they sprung on us that I decided to take advantage of. But that one hasn't come in the mail yet. But this is my $5.95 body care sale order that I did on buy online, pick up in store, and then while I was in store, I ended up getting a couple of other items. But thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned to my next video. Be sure to give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, consider subscribing so you can see how I will be utilizing these body butters and body mists in my future perfume trays, layering combinations, and things like that. So if you want to see content like that, then be sure to subscribe to that channel right there. And give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you've been enjoying so far from this fall collections. And stay tuned to my next video. Bye, guys.